Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. Usually I don't do this much, but occasionally if I think it's useful, I will do it. So today we're trying to replace this sun visor. See, as you can see that it won't stay up. So today we're gonna fix that. We're not fixing it, we're replacing it. So I got a new visor right here, which you can get it on eBay or Amazon for about $25. If you go directly to the dealer, the Toyota dealer, they will charge you like about $100. So what we do right here is hopefully that's gonna work out. So what do you do right here is basically there's this plastic piece right here is securing the two clip right here. So in order to take out there's no screw, so in order to take out that two clip, you have to remove this piece right here, this plastic piece, which is you can use a flathead to do it, but since this is my first time, I'll go ahead and try it. I have this tool right here, so all you do is try and crank it up, yank it up. See, I did it on the first one, and then I'm trying to do it on the other side. Hopefully it will remove it. Okay. This thing. Oh. Okay, so I got the first piece. Ow. And I'm trying to get out the second piece, which is okay. So this thing is... it just takes a little time trying to get out. It's hard to do with one hand. So basically you end up getting that and this little piece right here. See? So this thing's supposed to go into those little hole right here to secure the clip. So I finally get out. So if you still have the clip, hang on here, and then you just go ahead and pinch together and then take it out. Okay. So this is the new one with the new clip. So the last step you're gonna do is just go ahead and plug this in and into the straight, and then you should be done. Just line it up and plug it in. It's hard to do while I was video, so but you get the point when you do it. So finally you can get in. Everything straight into places, and it should be good. Sorry I couldn't show you exactly this because I have to use both my hand, but now it should be good. If I open this, the light turn on just as normal. As you can see, everything should be in working order, and look, it went all the way on top. No flopping around. As you can see, see, no flopping around. See. Now, like I said, the old one is last me for 10 years, so no, maybe 11 years. So hopefully this will last me another 11 years. But everything worked great, as you can see. Okay. As you can see, it worked perfect, just like my old one. And that's it. So I hope you find the video helpful, and I will see you guys on the next video. Okay, all right, bye.